We are loving Kochi Fort. We are in Vasco da Gama square at the moment. Vasco da Gama is the first European who reached to India by the sea. Like, he's Portuguese and he came to India in 1460. So his name is given to this square.
So hello everyone, and this square is a beautiful square right on the coast, on the sea, and as well as a lot of the fishermen on the coast. There's also many different stalls and people come along here to have a nice walk, and it's a very, very lovely atmosphere, isn't it, Gogo?
Yes, we are hoping to find some good South Indian street food because I am starving.
Hi, hello, 1 second, madam.
Buy and cook.
Lots of fresh fish.
You can buy and we
Buy the fish, I cook over there.
Ah, perfect.
We have a good seafood restaurant, we cook for you.
Ah, thank you.
You buy the fish from there and they cook it in the restaurant.
That's nice. That's nice.
This is all the fishing boats here. Look at all the rubbish that we have here. So much rubbish. These are the boats. So obviously we were walking on the other side, and I've got to agree with people that this is absolutely disgusting. There's no words to say.
I mean, like, no, this is not human.
This is disgusting.
It's not human.
I'm shocked. I'm really shocked that one of the main tourist points and tourist attractions is this disgustingly dirty. And we are so pro-India, so much we love about India, but this is absolutely disgusting.
There's no explanation for this.
No.
There's no explanation for this.
Look at this. Samosa chips.
Now we are getting somewhere.
I think it's a while since we had a samosa.
Yeah, it's quite wild.
Would you like a
actually.
samosa?
Yeah, you want to share one?
I want one each.
Oh.
I'm being greedy. So this area is not dirty. It's the beach that's extremely dirty.
What other sauce do you have? Yeah, that's one.
And tomato sauce.
Yeah.
No chutney. No. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And let's do what we're good at.
Eating.
Eating.
I actually missed samosa.
Yeah.
It's been really so long since I had samosa. We had samosa actually.
But if you remember, if you've not seen our Sri Lanka videos, we were eating samosa and you said
They were delicious. They were the best samosas I ever had.
yeah, better
I'm not gonna
than
lie.
Indian one.
Better than Indian one so far. So now we're gonna try this samosa in Fort Kochi. So let's see how is it.
Is it vegetarian?
I am sorry, India. Go get some lessons from Sri Lankans how to make samosa. Seriously, their samosas are best.
Is that the pastry you like from the Sri Lankan ones?
For some reason, breadcrumb makes everything taste better. And the way they cook the samosa in breadcrumb is not like empty,
Yeah.
empty bit like this as well. It's full inside and it's triangle. It's absolutely delicious.
Thank you. Let me give it a try because I've missed samosa from India. I think I prefer it with proper chutney rather than ketchup. So we usually have been eating the samosa with a green chutney, so maybe here in Kerala they don't eat it with green chutney. I don't know if that's something from the south or just maybe the south.
And she said ketchup only.
Tasty. Oh, that's so nice. That's a drum.
Yes, happy drum.
Have a go, go, go. Is it light or heavy?
It's light.
Light.
Yes, happy drum.
But again, just look at the beach. It's so dirty. India, get your cleaned up. Look at this dirty beach. It's disgusting. So dirty. Absolutely disgusting. Look, it's just so dirty.
So, another restaurant. We went to the restaurant, we highly recommend it. Because we are in South India, Kerala, we want South Indian food, but they only had the North Indian food. So unfortunately, we are so sorry about your recommendation. We can't have it. So we came to Mary's Kitchen, just down the road from there. It is pure South Indian vegetarian restaurant.
And I'm really excited because we've actually ordered some curries that we've never had before.
Look what we have in here. We have something called brinjal, aka aubergine curry.
This looks amazing.
It looks absolutely amazing. We have fried okra, lady's finger. Not a drumstick.
Not drumstick.
That's a drumstick, this okra. We know that now. And pea and cashew nut curry.
We've never had anything like that.
It looks really nice.
I'm really excited for that. Looks delicious.
And my favorite dish, rice, better the hot. It's warm, it's alright.
Warm?
It's edible, yeah.
Yeah?
And we have cheese.
Naan.
It's supposed to be naan bread.
Yeah, and it's very, very thin for naan bread, isn't
Yeah,
it?
I never
Very,
had a
very
naan bread
thin.
like this, but we
Yeah.
accept everything, so.
Yeah. You're going straight in for the aubergine.
Yeah, I couldn't wait anymore. Couldn't wait anymore. Aubergine is my all-time favorite.
He says it about everything.
Yeah, no, aubergine is actually, you know me, I love aubergine. So I'm just gonna try the aubergine on its own first. And the guy says he's gonna make it spicy for us. We will see. It's very creamy. It's cooked in a coconut milk. It's got curries and chili peppers and crunchy onions and ginger in it. I mean, which I love aubergine, but this is not really what I was expecting for the aubergine. It's alright, I will still finish it, but it's not really what I was expecting for an aubergine. Maybe
What
taste
level of spice would you say?
6, 7, 6, 7, no more than that.
What about your okra?
That is really nice. We love okra. Okra? Okra.
Okra.
Okra. We love okra. This is just deep fried greasy oil, which fried greasy oil tastes really good. Spice level 1 or 2. It's going down 1 or 2, but it's really delicious. This is really something nice. This is the dish we both were wondering.
Yeah.
What does it taste like? Now, creamy, coconutty, curd, onion, and crunchy cashew nuts. Not so soft, but soft enough peas. Meat with the spices and the curries and the garlic, and give out an incredible taste. Spice level 1.
Wow.
I'm not just making these numbers up, seriously. This is definitely 6, 7, but these two are not spicy at all. But this is so delicious. One thing left. Rice is delicious, basmati rice, yes, but one thing left.
Strange looking naan bread.
Strange looking naan
But
bread.
we've never had naan breads
Like this before.
like this before? No.
In India, even in UK, we never had a naan bread like this.
Yeah.
This is,
Different.
if this is a naan bread, what was we eating?
Yeah.
But bread is bread for me, so this is like a chapati bread or roti. This is just a roti, a bit thicker and bigger roti. Strangely delicious cheese. I like that old moldy taste of cheese. But I was gonna do something. Aubergine is getting better.
I'm really looking forward to this pea curry. Pea and cashew nuts. And this is pure veg food. The coconut milk is delicious. The peas are al dente, so they're crunchy but sweet, and it's got chunks of tomato in there as well. Peppered nice, salted nice, but it could definitely be spicy. Spicier. It's not spicy enough for me. The cashew nuts, they add to the flavour and they also add to the texture. That's delicious. Aubergine curry. Very, very creamy. We've got some cumin seeds, we've got lots and lots of coriander in there as well. This one, the okra. Let's go for this one. Simple, dry fry okra. Simple, but as Gogo said, deep fried. What isn't good deep fried? But I'm going straight in with this as well. I can't really taste the cheese. And I kind of feel like it's not risen properly. So I wouldn't rate this very high to me. Yeah. I feel like it's a bit of a letdown for a naan. Let us know in the comments, is this a naan? Because we're not impressed. We're not impressed. But let's get tucked in, Gogo. When we came here, there wasn't anybody in the restaurant. This to me is always a bit alarm bells. But when we saw the owner downstairs, he told us that they have typical Kerala food. Since then, only tourists have come in the restaurant, not one single local. So that to me says that it's not local food, because why is there no locals? So let us know in the comments if we're right, or let us know if we're wrong, and if what you've seen here is typical Kerala food, especially if you are from Kerala.
And also,
because we feel as though they've catered more for tourists rather than for genuine or authentic food.
and also, can you please let us know, was that a naan bread?
Yeah.
And no, this is I think this is a tourist room.
Yeah.
I think he thought we were just regular tourists, but he doesn't know we've been traveling India since November.
Yeah.
We know all about Indian food, so this was not really standard Indian food to me. I think we've been lied to come in here. I'm gonna be honest about it.
Yeah.
I think we've been lied. This is not an Indian food.
But we hope you've enjoyed it anyway. Bit of a strange one for you today, but we're always truthful. So it's bye from me until the next time. We're going to find a really good pure veg restaurant for you all.
Yeah.
Proper South Indian food.
And bye from me. I'm not vegetarian, but I'm looking for a proper South Indian vegetarian restaurant
Here in Kerala.
here in Kerala.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.